What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the RCA20 Stihl push washer and push washer. Now, it will get used again, this week again, next week again, because this thing got used almost quite a bit, because this thing got used 2 times this week. Well, it was used on Saturday, and then got used again on Sunday, which is exactly how much expected this thing again. If you look under here, you see this was released in 2024, so this is released on November of 2024, which I know since of it, but I was surprised this thing came out this year, which it's very surprising because you can see how much expected this thing's like, because I do like this thing a lot, because the thing you can see how much expected this thing's like, because when you push this in, you can see, but you push this, but it doesn't matter which way it goes a little bit, but it will actually lock into place, which I do like this thing, because as you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice looking in your machine, in my opinion, and you can see this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit no matter what. And you kind of this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit, because I do like this thing a lot, because you can see how much expected this thing's like, but it will get used again this weekend. At some point when I do clean the motor a little bit with this thing exactly, but as you can see exactly how much I've expected this machine. It's not because of the way that you can see this thing get used almost like quite a bit, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, because well, because you know how expected this thing get used almost like, I don't know, a couple of times away this thing exactly, because well, because it's pretty much what I expected this thing exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, but it will get used again this weekend. If I ever just decided to get this thing used exactly, because you can see how much I expected this thing exactly, because it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much I expected on this machine exactly, because I'm surprised this thing gonna get used almost like quite a bit of times, because it's pretty much what I expected this machine exactly, because well, because now I think about it, it's definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, but this thing will get used again this weekend, and then it looks like a pretty nice looking machine.